Every time the rupee hits a new low, social media goes into panic.
डॉलर के सामने रुपया हुआ धाराशाही।
The Indian rupee has weakened closer to the 90.
In India, the rupee falls to a new record low of 89.95.
The Indian rupee remains in free fall, hitting a fresh record low once again.
Rupee is falling, the economy is slowing down, but the truth is more nuanced. कुछ इंडियन कंपनीज ऐसे भी हैं जो रुपी के गिरने से एक्चुअली ज्यादा प्रॉफिट बनाते हैं. वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट्स डिकोडेड. आई एम कनिष्का गुप्ता and today we will talk about when INR weakens. Who wins? How do they win? And retail investors को इससे क्या समझना चाहिए? See, 2024-25 has been a tough for the rupee. INR recently tested 89 to 90 levels, hitting fresh record lows. इसके पीछे का backdrop क्या है? Higher US tariffs, FPI outflows, stronger US dollar globally, and India के merchandise trade deficit widen होना. Normally textbooks say a weak rupee helps exporters, but in reality we have multiple factors affecting export. This is 2025, a year with weak global demand, tariffs high है और exporters को extra discount देने का pressure है. But still, some sectors do gain meaningfully. And in this video, we'll talk about them. Number one is, of course, Indian IT sector. The sector earns a big chunk of revenue in USD, but salaries, infra, offices, sub India mein, which means rupee weakens, translated revenue increases, margins expand. Think of it like this. If a company makes $1 million from a US client, at 80 rupees per USD, they make 8 crore rupees, but at 90 rupees per USD, they make 9 crore rupees. Product same है, client same है, काम same है, सिर्फ forex rate बदल गया है, and so does your rupee profit. So any company जिसका revenue dollars में होता है and cost largely rupees में, they get a margin tailwind when INR weakens. Historically, 1% rupee depreciation resulted in approximately 30 basis points margin boost for many exporters. 2025 के second half में जब INR 88-89 तक slip हुआ, Nifty IT ने rally दिखाई. Experts clearly called it a currency-led margin boost. But one important nuance, अगर US या Europe IT budget slow हो रहे हैं, तो weaker rupee can only sustain or help support the business. It can't drive it. Number two, we have the Indian pharma sector, which is heavily export-driven, especially to the US. Revenue is dollar-based and manufacturing is mostly rupee-based. So INR fall, automatic margin support. But risk भी है, like US tariffs, US FDA compliance, global pricing pressure. यानी foreign exchange is helpful but not a magic fix. Number three, we have specialty chemicals. The sector is anyway benefiting from China +1. जब rupee weaken होता है, तो export linked contracts का margin और improve हो सकता है. Many reports suggest specialty chemicals continue to be in the likely beneficiaries list along with pharma and the other sector which I'll talk about after this. लेकिन long-term contracts may limit immediate gains. Dollar-denominated debt can hurt. इनपुट कॉस्ट वोलेटिलिटी भी इम्पैक्ट कर सकती है. सो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज बेनिफिट्स कंपनी स्पेसिफिक होता है इन केस ऑफ स्पेशलिटी केमिकल्स. नंबर फोर इज टेक्सटाइल एंड होम टेक्सटाइल. सी, इंडिया इज अ मेजर होम टेक्सटाइल एक्सपोर्टर. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर ऑफन USD और यूरो लिंक्ड, व्हिच मींस इफ रुपी फॉल्स एंड कॉटन या अदर इनपुट प्राइसेस आर स्टेबल, कंपनीज अर्न मोर रुपीज पर डॉलर, व्हिच इज व्हाई टेक्सटाइल्स को भी करेंसी बेनिफिशियरीज लिस्ट में हाईलाइट किया. नंबर फाइव इज ऑटो ancillaries and engineering exporters. Now these companies supply to global OEMs, export invoices in USD or Euro, production cost mostly in INR. इसलिए past currency cycles में brokerages ने companies like Bharat Forge, Balkrishna, Motherson को clear beneficiaries बोला है when the rupee weakens. आज भी भारत फोर्ज का revenue mix globally tilted है. So rupee fall means operating margin support even if demand slow हो. Having said all these, do remember, rupee fall does not always mean export boom, especially in times like these when the US tariffs have significantly increased cost for many Indian exporters and global demand weak है. As a retail investor, next time जब आप ये headline देखें that rupee falls, ये 3 चीज़ों को चेक करो. Number 1, कंपनी का रेवेन्यू किस करेंसी में है. नंबर 2, कंपनी के पास प्राइसिंग पावर है या नहीं. अगर डिस्काउंट देना पड़ रहा है तो वीकर रुपी का बेनिफिट वाइप आउट हो जाता है. एंड नंबर 3, हेजिंग कितनी है. More hedge means less volatility, means less immediate gain. At the end of the day, a falling rupee is a signal, and हर signal का एक winners and losers pattern होता है, which means you can start spotting opportunities before the market talks about them. This is Markets Decoded. I'm Kanishka Gupta. If you like this episode, do share it with your circle, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.